Hello, parents. This is a pre-conference video, and what I'd like to do is talk a little bit about the grades so that we don't have to talk a lot about grades, so you know how the grades work for physics, okay? This is the breakdown here. Formative assessments are practice tests and homework. Summative assessments, these are just tests, okay? And then labs are labs, and they are pretty important for their grade, right? Now, what we do with these, as far as due dates go and et cetera, right, is we work with what I call the 21-day rule. Okay, and basically they've got a 21-day period in which they can turn in these assignments for credit. Labs can be revised. Summative assessments or tests are small, and they can retake those tests. And so if you look at this, you can see like here is somebody that got a 15 out of 40 on their moving plots lab, but we agreed that all of these things will be done by the 29th. Okay, that's actually a Thursday. Okay, now whether your child actually remembers that or not, that's going to be the deal, right? So this person, they've got 15 out of 40. They're going to fix that. They're going to turn it back, and they can get full credit. There's no penalty for having got a 15 out of 40. Okay, here's somebody that's scaring me. I have not yet seen their no reason to speed lab. And my promise to you is that I will not nag them about this. They need to go on Synergy. They need to be aware of the things that they have and don't have. They need to track their own assignments. These people are nearly adults. Okay, if you know that that's going to be a train wreck for your child, well then you need to get on Synergy and remind them. Hey, what is that? Okay. Now here, if we look down here, these are the summative assessments. You can see that this person got whatever this is the last their retake, okay, and the score that they got the first time averaged to 8.75. So the score you have in this column is the first score you get, or it's the average of the last two that you take, right? So this person got a 7.5, they got a 10 on their retake, and now they've got 8.75. They might be happy with that. If they take it again and get another 10, which is what would be my advice to them, they would have a 10 and a 10 here. And this is the column that counts for their grade. This one's just to keep track of the last score they got. This person retook the test and actually got a score lower than what they got, and I just put that score there. I didn't lower their score. This person is scaring the heck out of me. They never took these assessments. This time is rolling around. We can take and retake those till the 29th. They don't even know what they've gotten on it. They haven't bothered to retake it. They need to come in. Hopefully they'll come in tomorrow morning and take these tests, and then they'll be able to retake them the next week. Okay, so that's how the grades work. It all works on a 21-day rule, and I will just tell them what that date is. I know that this is more than 21 days, so it's more of a guideline. Okay, but I tell them a date. They need to do all of their retakes. They need to fix all their labs within that 21-day time. Okay, and I'll tell them as the dates come by. I'll tell them what those dates are. And then this is the syllabus. They need to be reading the syllabus. In this syllabus, it tells them when to turn stuff in, right? Like, so they're going to turn in an assignment here, right? Notice that we also do some interesting things, right? We actually look at videos at night. That might be their homework. So if they're watching videos and it's not like cat videos, it could be that they're doing homework. So notice on this day, we actually are going to go over a pretty simple CLIF problem, right? Or a pretty simple ARC problem. Then that night, they're actually going to look at how to do a difficult ARC problem. And then in class, we're going to work on that. Rather than watch me do a problem in class, they're going to actually work on the problem in class. This is called flipping, classroom flipping. They look at the lecture at home. They come in now. This works really well if they actually bother to watch this video. If they don't watch the video, then during class time, they've got to watch the video, which is not quite what I want them to do. Okay. Let me see if I can get Chrome to come up here. All right, there we go. You can check out, if you look at this website here, they are on this unit right now. You can see there's their syllabus, right? That's kind of fun. And then there's videos. So if your child misses class, they can watch these videos sometimes instead of class. Sometimes when you look inside here, you'll see the videos that they need to do. There's videos that explain how to do the labs. Right, so the moving plots lab, they might have questions about that. They can go in here and I've got everything. Okay, I've got how to do the spreadsheets, I've got how to do the tangent lines, all of that stuff. So if you're stuck, you're at home, and your child is deeply frustrated with the moving plots lab, you say, hey, honey, do you think there's maybe some videos on that? No, I don't think so. Well, yeah, there is, right? So it's this website right here. Go to your class. Go to the chapter they're on, right? And then these are the labs. There's lab videos up there. And then the content is down here, so they can check that out. All right, I think I've talked enough. Let's talk now at conference time. Instead of talking about grades, you can tell me embarrassing stories from their childhood or something like that.